Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday. It's beautiful, the weather is beautiful outside, and I'm just getting ready. I am going out. I'm going to the bank, so I decided to go ahead and film one video for the Open Up with Liz series. Guys, I've been having a little bit of an issue with my skin. I don't know if you can see, but I do have a foundation, so you are not actually going to see what's going on. I've got some pimples. My skin broke out around here. I had about 4 pimples. I broke 2 of them, and I do have one, this one over here. I'll just cover it with my foundation, and I just woke up yesterday with this bad boy. I don't know where it came from. So irritating. Beside that, you guys, I am very excited. I got a new phone. I bought a new iPhone. You guys, your girl is happy. Like, that has been on my vision board. Well, not vision board, but on my list. I usually put a list of stuff that I want to buy every year. So at the beginning of this year, I wrote some stuff down that I wanted to buy, you know, and an iPhone was one of those things, and I'm so excited I finally got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so that I can show you guys how the phone looks like. I've been using a Samsung for the longest time, and yeah, so I bought it. I got it. This is the iPhone 11. When I went to MTN shop, they actually didn't have the new iPhone for some reason. They didn't have stock, and I couldn't wait because I really needed a new phone. So I decided, why not? Let me rather go for this one, and this one was a little bit cheaper, and of course it's the same as the new iPhone. So this one is iPhone 11, and the new one is iPhone 11 Pro. It has 3 cameras. Like, mine has 2 cameras, and the iPhone 11 Plus has another one, yeah, another black camera. So this is how it looks like. I've already opened it, but anyways, for the sake of the video, I just put it back. And yes, I just decided to go for white color because I wanted it to match with my laptop. I don't know, but people are saying, why didn't you go for black? Why did I'm like, dude, this is my decision, and why not? So yeah, I downloaded the app, which allowed me to move all the apps that I had in my previous phone, my Samsung S8. So I had to like use that app to move all my stuff, my phone numbers, my apps, like everything on my previous phone. I had to move it on here, and it was very quick. I did it within about 5 minutes, and all my stuff were moved on this bad boy. So yeah, that's the phone. I love it. Yeah, so I just thought I should show you guys because I'm so excited. Yeah, so that's the phone, you guys. I'm happy, I'm excited. I wanted the new iPhone, which came out 2 weeks ago, the iPhone 11 Pro, but they just didn't have it. I went to my local MTN shop, and they told me that they didn't have stock. I was so desperate. I was like, you know what, let me just grab whatever you guys have right now. I'm in Tiger Valley Mall, and I'm going to the bank. Hopefully there's no long queue because I'm not in the mood to stand in the queue. So let's just go and see, because I've got a lot of things to do today.
A chance to go somewhere under the summer sun. 'Cause I wanna
how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Just a disclaimer, I do have my toothpaste. I just applied it on my pimples. I'm breaking out, you guys. I'm just breaking out around here and over here as well. I don't know what's going on. I haven't been eating chocolates lately, so I don't know. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. I just woke up. I went to drop my daughter at school. I'm back home and with my boy, so it's just the two of us. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the room quickly, because I've already cleaned like everywhere, the sitting room and everywhere I've cleaned already. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room, and then we'll be going to ShopRite. I just want to go and purchase some stuff that I'm missing in the house. And besides that, I plan to film 2 videos today, but I'm hearing a lot of noise outside. I believe these guys are doing some construction. If this is what they're doing, then it's not good, because they are going to block me from shooting today, because obviously I can do a vlog with a lot of noise, but I cannot upload a normal YouTube video with this noise. So anyways, I'll see about that when I go downstairs. I'm just gonna check to see what's going on there. So my plan for today is I just want to be home. I just want to go to ShopRite. After that, I'm gonna quickly make some breakfast, get the boy ready, and then I'm gonna cook some lunch for them. And I do have an appointment with my nail technician. I just want to go and refresh my nails. Besides that, I want to do a quick shopping for my kids. You guys, we are actually going out this weekend. I'm tired. Like, I just decided, let me go ahead and take a short holiday for, I think I plan to be away for 3 or 4 days, but obviously kids are around and there's no one to stay home with them, so I'm gonna have to go with them. Okay, so we will be going out this weekend as a family, yeah, just to relax and reflect and all of that stuff. Unfortunately, we're not traveling like out of town. I'm just gonna be there for about 4 days. Anyways, so that's that. Let me just get ready, and then I'll chat later. You guys, how can someone film with this noise? It's like these guys are busy doing construction here and it's noisy everywhere, so I obviously can't sit in my house and film because it's just too much. Yeah, so I've postponed my filming for today, so I just decided to go ahead and vlog, because obviously I can't film. And now, what's that?
Mommy,
Yes,
Mommy,
yes.
Which one?
Which one?
Mommy, blue one.
You like the blue one?
Yeah,
Are you gonna buy it?
yeah.
Where's the money?
Mommy.
Okay, take it. Take the blue one. Okay, grab it. Let's go.
Okay.
Yes, take it. Take it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this way. This way. No, pick it up. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Big boy. Gabriel's gonna pay for this. You're gonna pay, right? Are you gonna pay? Gabriel, look here. Are you gonna pay for that? No. Okay, let's put it back. We don't need it.
No.
We don't need it because we're not buying it. Yes?
Mommy,
Yes?
I'm gonna build a.
Huh?
I'm gonna build a.
Are you gonna pay for it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then.
Okay.
Okay, come. This way. Let's go.
Okay.
This way, quickly. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Walk.
Okay.
Are you tired? Okay, give it to me. Let me grab it. Thank you.
Mommy.
Yes. Just gonna put it back. This boy, we don't need this. Like, really? Come on. Put it back over there. gonna grab one of these. Stand up. Not sure about this one though.
This one.
Let me rather go with what I know. What do you think of this? Is it nice? You wanna buy this one? Okay, choose. Do you want this one or this one? Okay. Let me get this. Cinnamon. Yeah. Yes. What I'm having.
Oversized nose. Busted bogus, you're both brilliant. Give it a go. Watch this, buds.
Hey guys, I've been very busy. Not only with my YouTube channel, but I've been busy with work, and we had a program at church for 5 days, like from last week. So it started on Wednesday up until Sunday, which was yesterday. By the way, today is Monday, so I'm just done filming a video. This is actually an introduction to my Open Up with Liz series. You guys know already, I'm sure you've already seen the video, the Open Up with Liz videos that I've uploaded. So anyway, I'm not gonna go much into it, so I'm just gonna allow you guys to go ahead and watch that video. Today is Monday. It's a beautiful day. My plan for today, I only planned to film one video, and the time is, just check the time, it is 10:15 a.m. and I don't really have much to do today. I just want to go do some grocery shopping with hubby because he's on leave. I'm also on leave as well. I took a 4-day leave because I want to do some stuff, some projects, you know. Yeah, so I love the lighting. Anyways, that's that, and I'm in love with my nails. By the way guys, this top is from Truth. I do have some clothes that I purchased recently. Well, not recently, like the past 3 months. I've got clothes from Zara, Truth, and Woolworth. I'm not sure, but anyways, let me know down below if you want me to do a clothing haul. I'm gonna mix all the clothes together. This one comes with a skirt. It's super cute. I love the color. I just love everything about it. Let me know down below if you want a clothing haul, and I'm definitely gonna do that. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I'm just here to end my vlog anyway, so I don't have much to say. The time is 8:41 a.m. and today is Saturday. I'm currently in bed. I went to the doctor yesterday, and guys, I've been having a strong back pain, like a very strong back pain. It just doesn't want to go away, and I couldn't take it anymore. I was like, no, I just need to go and see the doctor in order to find out what exactly is going on. And whew. So I was giving pills to drink, and you guys, these pills are making me sleepy. Like yesterday, I drank them around 5 p.m. as per the doctor's advice. He told me that I should only drink them around 5, but he didn't tell me that the pills were going to make me sleepy. So I was wondering, why would the doctor say I should only drink the medicine at 5? But anyways, I followed the instructions, and then I only drank it around 5. Guys, I fell asleep around, I think, 6:30 p.m. yesterday, like deep sleep. I was sitting in my sitting room and I was watching TV. Before I knew it, I was gone. Like sleep. I slept in the couch and I couldn't even hear what was going on there. So I just slept, and I only realized that I was sleeping in the couch around 1 a.m. That was like, because my husband wasn't around, so the kids were just sleeping as well, so nobody woke me up. Obviously they didn't want to disturb me, so I realized that I was sleeping in the couch around 1 a.m. and that's when I had to go to my room. Can you imagine? So that's how this medicine is making me feel like. But anyways, I am fine. I'm fine, I'm doing well. It's just that I'm having this strong back pain, and the doctor recommended that I just rest enough. So I'm just in bed. I was in bed the whole day yesterday, and I'm in bed today as well, even though I'm trying to do some editing, but I'm just like relaxing. I am not doing any hard work. I will not be at work for a few days as well, so hopefully I will be better soon. Okay, anyways, that's that. So I'm just here to say thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoy it, even though I didn't do much in this vlog. I just hope you enjoy it. Just wait for the next vlog. You guys are going to love it. Like, it's bomb. Anyways, if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, I do have some great contents coming up, and like and comment if you have any questions. I love you guys for watching. And by the way, if you're wondering why am I wearing this cap while I'm in bed, I'm just going out and I want to go do some grocery shopping, and then I'll be back. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.